Hello, my name is Vilsi. My register number is URK1144. I will be discussing about deep learning experiment 1. So the aim is to build and train a fully connected neural network for multi-class classification problem with data sets like MNIST and fashion MNIST. Um, so this is the code. Here we have imported some libraries. So TensorFlow is the main library used for building and training neural networks, and layers. Here we have used layers, so that contains neural network layers like dense and V2D, and we have used models as well. So for creating neural network models, sequential or functional API, and input and matplotlib for plotting graphs. I have included two graphs in this. So next is this X-train Y-train testing. So MNIST dataset contains 70,000 grayscale images of handwritten digits, and X-train and X-test are images for training and testing. Y-train, Y-test are labels like digits from 0 to 9 corresponding to some images. Here we have downloaded the whole data set from the Google API is the MNIST, and MNIST.load data is the function from which we use this. And this 255.0, these are pixel values which are originally from the range 0 to 255, and we are normalizing it to 0 and 1 so that all the code will be stable. And here we are using flatten and dense. So each image is 28 into 28 pixels, that is 784 features if you multiply it. And if then we are using reshape. So reshape is, it will convert each 2D image into a 1D vector. And -1 means it will automatically adjust the number of rows to match the dataset size. And in the sequential and the dense, sequential layers are like it will be added in a sequence one after the other. Input shape 784 is, that means 784 features are expected as a vector. Fully connected layer with 128 neurons, and a ReLU function is being used. Here we are using ReLU function. So that is rectified linear unit, so it introduces non-linearity. Dense 64 activation ReLU means there is another hidden layer with 64 neurons. And dense 10 activation softmax is output layer with 10 neurons, one for each digit. So softmax will give the probabilities for each class. And then we are using Adam and sparse cross entropy. So Adam optimizer adapts learning rates for each parameter, making training faster and more efficient. Sparse cross entropy is for multi-class classification with integer labels. And we are using metrics as accuracy. So here it went through all the epochs, and we used accuracy as the metrics. And while modeling dot fit, that means model will be trained based on the training data given, it will be fit there. Epochs 5 means model will see the entire training data set 5 times. And batch size 32 means it will update the model weights after every 32 samples, so this will gradually reduce loss. And for experimenting with different architectures, I'm telling about the future scope. So we can experiment with different architectures, like we can add more hidden layers or neurons, we can try leaky ReLU or ELU. We can use CNNs because they are better for image classification. We can use dropout or L2 regularization, optimization, hyperparameter tuning, and other data sets. Now uh, I'll also tell about the fashion MNIST. So that is the second question. That fashion MNIST will contain 70,000 grayscale images. That is 28 pixels again. It is the same as the first one. And again, we are using X-train, X-test, Y-train, Y-test, and fashion MNIST dot load data again. And we are dividing the original pixels into 0 to 55. That is normalizing to 0 and 1. And we are again converting all the images into 784 features, that is 28 into 28 each image. And then we are reshaping the images, 2D images into 1D vectors. And yeah, and we have also used the graphs here to plot the accuracy over epochs. So here we can see the train accuracy and the validation accuracy. And this is for the loss. So how much loss occurred over those 5 epochs? Like train loss occurred this much, and train the validation loss was this much. And we have also given the confusion matrix. So this is from 8 into 6. So that's all for the first experiment. Thank you.